So for this activity, you're going to need to use a protractor. Let me show you how to do that really quick. So first things first, let's zoom in. I'm going to go to 100% for now. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay, so I want to measure angle AOA prime. Okay, so the O represents the origin. And I'm going to make this a little bit easier by tracing that angle. Let's see, so I want a line. I need to go from A to the origin over to A prime. There we go. Okay, cool. So it might be a little bit easier to see those if I darken those lines or change their color. So let me do that. I'm going to make them blue and I'm going to make them a little bit thicker. Now they're easy to see. So this is the angle I'm trying to measure for angle AOA prime. So now that I've got it, let me go ahead and do my protractor. Now I'm going to drag it over here and I want to line it up. Let me zoom in even a little bit more now. There we go. It can be a little bit tricky to see, but I want the edge of my protractor to line up with that blue ray right there. Okay, so here's the edge of my protractor, and I want the circle of my protractor to be right at the vertex of that angle. There we go. See how they're lined up right there? I need to turn it a little bit so that the edge lines up. There we go. So here's the edge of my protractor. See how that ray is pointing right at the 180? That's what I want. Then to read the measurement, I'm going to follow my other ray right here. So that would be 90 degrees. So that indicates that this is a 90-degree angle. So let me show you how I measured that again. So my protractor was like this. And what I did was I'm looking at this little, see the crosshairs right here of my protractor? I moved those over to the vertex of my angle. And then I rotated. I'm going to have to move them back in a second. That's okay. It's a little bit of wiggling around. But basically, you're going to rotate it. You're going to, so that the edge of your protractor lines up with the ray. A little bit more. And there we go. See how it lines up just perfectly right there? And so that the crosshairs meet right at the vertex of your angle. And then you can use the other ray to read the measurement, which in this case is 90 degrees. That's a 90-degree angle. So then zooming back out, I would write 90 degrees in here, indicating that AOA is a 90-degree angle. So that's how you can use your virtual protractor to measure the angles that you need to analyze in this activity.